So in this video we'll learn about how to iterate over a set in Python. Okay, so for that let me create one set which is apple, mango, banana, then we have, let's say, peach. Okay, so now using for loop for fruit in fruits and then print fruit. So we can use a simple for loop to iterate over the sets, and we also know some other function where if you want to get a index kind of a thing, enumerate. However, this is not a guarantee that this index will be same for you. It is just we know that we have something called index as well, 0 1 2 3. Now it might change for you. Like, see, the banana is given 3 though it is at number 2. So how it is internally arranged, that's again that's something we don't know, right? So that's where the iteration we need to be careful while using the enumerate function. And I think that's all for this video. See you in another video.